So I'm recording this video on the 8th of August 2024, just to let you know that there is free parking for motorbikes in Gatwick short stay car park and the Gatwick, which one is this? This is South Terminal. I found it difficult to find that information, so I decided to record this video to get this basically. So this is the short stay car park, and there's these three barriers, 1, 2 and 3, and this third one is a short one. I'll walk to it now. And the short one, you can ride your bike through it, through the left. Obviously there's enough gap there, and that is what it is intended for. So as you go through, and you can see these pathways where the cars go up. This one, and there's that one. Underneath those, there's not enough, obviously, space for cars to be parked, and that's redundant space, and that's where it seems that the people are parking their bikes. And this is where I've parked mine. Locked it up. There's quite a lot of spaces actually around here. Then you can see the one next door, and it's, I mean, if I keep going down that way, I've seen actually quite a few like that. I don't know if there are any more on upstairs on the other floors, but certainly on the ground floor there's quite a few. So if I just hop over across, and you'll see that there's one, that ramp that is going up. Underneath that there's motorbike parking as well. And sure enough, there it is. And I think you can ride through this space and just park there. Okay, and you can see across the road there's these ones as well. So that car is basically entering the first pathway to the car park, and my bike is just parked just there. Okay, and this is you can see that is the exit, this one. Don't know where it comes out, but anyway, that's where it is. So yeah, you can cover it up, you can lock it up however you like. I was intending to actually lock it up, cover it up, but unfortunately forgot my cover at home. Can't do much about that though. So now, with respect to the CCTV, I was just trying to find out if there's any cameras or anything. There's a camera over there. I'm not sure what that is doing, whether it's capturing the number plates or. So that's where I've parked. So hopefully there's some visibility. Let me just go and have a look. So from that camera, I can see my bike basically. So hopefully that's visible. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and this is me arriving back at the terminal after my flight, and great to see my bike is still there. Fantastic. Okay, let's see if everything else is with the bike as well. Yep, it's still locked. Panniers looking good, and everything is intact. Brilliant.